Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Chime with your Rocket Money app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and start keeping track of your finances through Chime, but you also want to keep track of it through the Rocket Money app. How do you actually connect both of them together? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Rocket Money app. Next, click on the gear icon on the upper left-hand corner. Afterwards, click on Linked Account, click on Add Institution on the bottom-hand side, and then look for the Chime app. So Chime is located right over here, so click on Chime. And then once you click onto Chime, you'll see that this software called Plaid opens up. Plaid is what Rocket Money uses to connect your bank to itself. So it connects it in seconds and it also keeps your data safe. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect Chime with the Rocket Money app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.